Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of JEE Advanced 2021. This is question number 6 from paper 2. Question says, let E denote the parabola y square is equal to 8x, P is equal to minus 2 comma 4 and Q dash be two distinct points on E such that PQ and PQ dash are the tangents to E. Let F be the focus of the parabola, then which of the following statements are true? Okay, let us first make the diagram. Then I think question is very simple. We are given that it's a parabola, that is rightward parabola only. Y square is equal to 8x. And P point is having x coordinate minus 2. So this will be lying on its directrix. Somewhere here. So if we are making two tangents from P to this parabola, something like this, and this is my Q point, and there is one more tangent, and this is here, Q dash. Okay, so because P point is lying on the directrix, this angle has to be 90 degree. Q dash should be focal chord. This point will be F. Okay, now let us read options one by one. Number 1, A option, the triangle PFQ is a right angle triangle. PFQ is the right angle triangle. I think this is also a property of parabola only. That portion of tangent between directrix and the parabola subtends 90 degree at the focus. In fact, here we have all the coordinates. Focus we have 2, 0. P point we have minus 2, 4. We can find Q also. So we can verify that it is 90 or not. But this is direct property. So I will say A is correct answer. Now B option. The triangle QPQ dash, already because of the property, tangent from the directrix is 90 degree, tangents from directrix subtends 90 degree, so this angle is also 90 degree. So QB is also correct. Now distance between P and F, I think this is not correct because it comes out to be 4 root 2, so C is not correct. Now coming to D, F lies on the line joining Q to Q dash. This is also obvious because QQ dash is focal chord, so D is also correct. So this is very simple question. I think this completes the solution for this question. Thank you so much.